What is up, YouTube? My name is Devontae, and right now we're going to create our own sales funnel from scratch. Well, not from scratch. Well, everything is done for you. I'm about to get logged in here. When you're in your back office, remember, just make sure you have at least all the red buttons turn green as fast as you can. There's no rush. It's completely up to you. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to copy web pages. I'm going to create a new sales funnel because the one that I have currently is kind of saturated, I believe. So I think I'm going to use this one. Hopefully this is the one that I need. Alright, yes, this is the one. So the title of the web page will show the visitors. So basically the title of the web page is going to be this right here. So I'm going to change it to hashtag last year being broke plan. There you go. I'm gonna name the copy of this. I'm gonna name it it's pretty irrelevant at this point. We're gonna hold off. We are gonna set this as my domain as my only domain. So we're gonna do that. We're also gonna assign an email campaign that already made. You can also view your email campaign before you send it. This is going to be continuous emails going to be sent out throughout the entire month to my prospects, my leads. That's very powerful. And right here is going to be when they opt in. You can decide on what sales page that you want them to see. So I have this one that I want them to see. You guys can take a sneak peek of what that will look like when they opt in. It's going to have a full explanation of the Power Lead system, a 20-minute video, and everything is push buttons. You can get your traffic. You can contact me on Facebook, and this right here is the Action Takers, the Action Takers Facebook group. Click here to become a gold member. Frequently asked questions. Everything does the selling and telling for. I don't have to do anything but just drive traffic, get eyeballs to my website. That's all I have to do, and everything else is done for me. I have the proof. The proof is in the pudding, as people would say. Yeah, testimonials and get access now. That's how you would become a gold member, right there with the 7-day free trial. So I want that to be my sales page, and this right here, the corporate URL of a company you promote. Okay, so I'm promoting FutureNet. This link can be whatever you promote. Okay, MCA, Easy One Up, Pure Profit Pro, Icon, anything like that. Your primary business can be promoted at the same time as you're promoting your marketing system. Okay, and that's setting up now two streams of income for yourself. So you're this is all promoting. This is all like a sales funnel. It's a circle. Okay, everything is getting promoted, and you're getting paid with two income streams instead of just having one income stream. All right, so this is where your primary business link will go. I'm gonna save. Actually, no, I'm not gonna save just yet. I'm gonna go to change text. All right, and this right here, this is when I'm gonna start customizing my sales funnel. Now, I want to delete that text. I'm gonna delete that. I'm content with the text that's already up here. I want to get my YouTube video embedded. So what I'm going to click on I'm going to click on my YouTube video. I want my YouTube video to be on my capture page so my prospects can see me. And this is called branding yourself. You're branding yourself by putting yourself out there in front of the company, which is the last year being broke plan, the Power Lead system. Right now, once you get to the video that you want to incorporate on your capture page, you want to go to share. My computer's kind of running a little slow here. And then you want to click on embedded, and then I'm going to uncheck that. I'm going to copy this whole this whole HTML code. I'm gonna go back into the Power Lead system. I'm gonna click on source, and this is basically called coding at this point. So I want to make sure I'm gonna hit Control F. I'm gonna find where I want to put it. So I want to put it right after this right here. So I'm gonna hit enter and then paste that code right here. Paste this code right there. I'm gonna click save changes. Oops, not save changes. You don't want to. I'm gonna go back. You don't have to save changes. All you have to do is just click out of it. All right, and here's my video. I'm gonna double click on it, and it has my link in it, and it has you can change the width and the height of it. So yeah, that's how you would incorporate your own videos. But all right, so I incorporated a few of my own words. As you can see, here's my video, and this is when their email. All right, so we're looking good. We're looking good. I think we're about done now. I could change this background. I do have a video on how to change the background, so I'm not going to get into that. So I'm going to save. All right, I'm going to save, and now your new web page is online, so I can view it. I'm going to test it out. All right, so this is my website. Click on my video. And this video is just showing me how I'm getting my leads, basically a traffic source. And yeah, and then when they opt in, this will be the page that awaits. All right, and then this is a full-on introduction. This is why you need a marketing system. It's so powerful because you can track who's coming into your websites. You can follow up with these same people, guide them to your capture page, and let your capture page do all the work for you, aka the Power Lead system. Let the Power Lead system do all the work for you. So yeah, in this video basically explains everything the Power Lead system down to a T. So it's important to brand yourself, stand out, and duplicate. All this is just duplication. All right, everything is done for you. You can access my YouTube channel. You can have these links all directly linked to your referral links and YouTube channel links. Click here to access the training page. This will be a list of videos showing you how to use the Power Lead system. Right? You see everything is laid out. All you have to do is just drive traffic to the capture page. And the capture page is this right here. This is your capture page. What I'm showing you now is how to make a sales funnel within the Power Lead system. And if you have any questions, you can go to my Facebook. It's right here. Click on my Facebook link. Take you straight to my Facebook account, Twitter, and YouTube as well. This is the Power Lead system. Everything is done for you. Everything is automatically done for you. Hit me up on Facebook. Join the Freedom Takers Facebook group, and basically with the Facebook group is there for your personal development. It's for your self development because it's a process going from working a job or whatever you was doing prior to building your income and building an email list online. You're going to want to get plugged in with people who's doing the same thing as you are, and just so you can get tips and things like that. And it's for your self development. The Facebook group, click on this banner right here, take you straight to a Facebook group. And yeah, everything is presented. This is a sales funnel. After my leads go through my sales funnel, they will know exactly what the Power Lead system is. And you can even promote, like I keep saying, you can promote any business with the Power Lead system. In my case, I don't currently have a business, so I'm just strictly promoting the Power Lead system. But this works even better for you as well if you do have a business, because you're now You're now receiving an additional stream of income for yourself that you didn't have before. And on top of that, you're making your life a whole lot easier by having the power lead system do all the work for you. So with that being said, I really appreciate you guys for watching my video. The link to join the power lead system is below, and I will see you on the inside.